Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to have nested list views in FlutterFlow. So an example of this is basically where there is a post and there are comments replying to the post, and then there are replies replying to the first comment, kind of like how Reddit does it. And this is the final product you'll build. So let's get started here. So I'm going to delete what I've built so far. So to start from the beginning for you. So I've copied this JSON into an app state so we can use it quickly. You can subsequently, this JSON can come from an API, but the idea of it is exactly the same. So the first step you need to do is create the list view. And then the list view, if it's from a JSON, you can add a backend query to do the JSON call, or because my one's in app state already, I'm just going to use generate children from variable. So the children we're generating, as you can see here, is post. So I'll just call it post, and the value is from app state results. And then I'm going to, because I need to dig into post, I need to have the JSON path of post with S, and then click OK. Here we've basically generated these three children's for post. So let's go back. I'm gonna quickly add two text boxes here, wrap in a column, do some quick formatting. So the first, what we need is basically the title, and then we'll grab the content as well here, just for simplicity's sake. So we go into the first text and we set it from variable of post, and then we're going to use JSON path dot title. And the second one is dot content. Cool. So most people get confused here. So the question is, how do you get comments here replying to the post one? So what you need to do here is add another list view inside the column containing the post, each post. So you add a list view and then you generate dynamic children again. And the children you're generating here is basically this children. There's two children here, two comments children to this post. So you simply do variable names comments, and the value, you're setting it from the post item, JSON path dot comments. And then I'll ask you, and then click OK. And then here, let's add the author and the text. Let's just do that quickly. Wrap it in a column, and then text. So that let me quickly format this so it's slightly clearer. The author is so you've got to go to comments item, and then the JSON path of author, and then you get comments, JSON path of comments. I believe it's text. It's text. So here we are basically pulling the author and the text from the comments of each dynamic children we've generated within posts. That sounds easy. I'm just going to add some spacing just to make it slightly neater. So now we've got to generate the third level. So there are replies to this comment. So commenter 2 says, I agree, it's really informative. Replying to commenter 1, it's text, great post. So we are going to do the exact same thing within column for the first level for the reply. We're going to click list view again. And then similarly, we generate dynamic children. So let's call this replies. And then we'll go to the source is basically the comments item, JSON path dot replies. And then it's okay. And then similarly, we add a column and add two, let's just say we'll just add 2 text boxes here as well. 1, 2, let's do a quick formatting, make it slightly neater so we can distinguish what's going on when we run the app later. Let's add 6, spacing 6. Okay, so let's pull the author out of the replies, each replies item. So the author is JSON path of author. And then similarly, let's get the text out of it. I believe text of the replies, each replies item. So dot text. And this should be it. Let's run the app quickly. Great. So here we can see there is the original post, content of post 1, and the first commenter said, great post. And then you can see here commenter 2 and 3 are replying to commenter 1's reply of great post. And then commenter 4 is replying to the post 1. And then commenter 5 is replying to commenter 4's statement. And it's post 2 and 3. So this is how you can nest listed views and then generate a thread of some sort, similar to Reddit or other forums that you might have seen on the internet. So I hope this helped you, and remember to like, subscribe, or comment for further videos on FlutterFlow.